the natural question I would have as a CEO or a business owner or someone in charge of sort of looking down the future and the roadmap in robotics for a company would be, okay, that's great that you've got the technology solution, but how am I going to manage these devices? And how am I going to figure out how well they're working and what they've done over time and where they are in the field and who's running the correct firmware and things like that. So, but like I said, we do have a full stack solution that runs on top of this platform. So if I want to configure my device, we have the app that actually works on an Android or an iPhone that you can use to configure the autonomy platform on your robotic vehicle. In terms of managing those devices in aggregate, we do have a backend platform that is good for fleet management, as well as for the OEM manufacturer trying to analyze what's happening with all of their aggregate devices in the field. So that has really been built for the customer as well, and they can customize it however they'd like it. But as a CEO and a business owner, and I'm looking at fastest path to market and quickest path to ROI and cost savings, I'm going to want all three of these things. I'm going to want the best sensor possible. I'm going to want a fully integrated platform that kind of does everything right out of the box. And I'm going to already want that back-end analysis and configuration ready for me to go to market with, so I don't have to do that internally. So that's really the value that we're offering.